Body parts in Tagalog. Part 3. Balikat, Braso, Siko, Pulsuhan, Kamay, Palad, Daliri, Kuko. Repeat after me. Balikat, Braso, Siko, Pulsuhan, Kamay, Palad, Daliri, Kuko. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. Repeat after me. Ito ang kamay ko. Ito ang daliri ko. Ito ang kuko ko. Ito ang balikat ko. Great job! Can you remember these words? Kamay, daliri, balikat, siko. Excellent! If some words feel hard to remember, that's okay. Practice them repeatedly and point to each body part as you say the word. You can always come back to this video whenever you need a review. That's it for today. Now you know some arm and hand body parts in Tagalog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next. And if you want to learn more simple Tagalog, check out my other lessons too. Salamat, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.